Kirby. Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be reviewing the Punky Color Mood Switch temporary hair color. It is temporary hair effect, rinse out in one wash. If you are interested to see if and how these perform as much as I am, then please keep watching. So Punky Color is a brand of fantasy hair color dyes and such, if you will. I have used their semi-permanent dyes before. It smelled really great. However, it did not last and I did not care much for the application of the said product. I found these though at Marshall's on clearance for $6. They originally retail for $14.99. So you can find the Punky Color Mood Switch temporary hair color in Ulta. They have it online. You can find it in a couple different places. I don't know if they sell it at Sally's. I'll have to find out on the internet. But they have 8 different options for your hair color. Yeah, there are 8 different options. You have the purple to pink, you have the orange to yellow, you have purple to turquoise, black to pink, blue to teal, red to pink, that doesn't sound like a good one, purple to blue, and black to lilac, which sounds really, really pretty. But the reviews on Ulta, you get a 1.7 review. Well, 1.7 star review. So that doesn't sound good. A lot of them are saying that it was like really, the hair texture was bad, it worked, but like it didn't work, if that makes sense. So anyways, I got these for $6 each. I didn't really think that was bad to like try them out, and especially like, as you can see, I have a lot of blonde showing before I do like another color change, and so I thought it would be fun to see if they work. What you get in the box itself are 2 sponge applicators, instructions, gloves, which I never use because I buy mine at the Dollar Tree, and then the color itself. So you get 2 ounces of the Punky Color Mood Switch product. I'm going to use the purple to pink only because that's the one that I have opened so far. So it does not smell good. It smells like paint. Like bad paint. This is the product. It's like a cream sort of consistency. What the directions say to do. Hair should be clean and dry. Done. I'm going to wear gloves. Make sure to protect any clothing or surfaces from contact. I don't care about any of this clothing. Alright, section out any hair that you want to be transformed. I can do that immediately. After you section the hair, it says work the product into the hair using the sponge and make sure to cover the hair completely with the color. On the dry section, well, once you have worked all of the product into the hair, I assume, it says dry the section with a blow dryer on the medium hot setting. Make sure that you dry the top and bottom of the hair section. While blow drying the hair, work the section with your fingers to separate the hair. The hair will transform as you apply heat. When you remove the heat, the hair will slowly turn to the color you originally applied. Example, purple transforms to pink with heat and back to purple when the heat is removed. This is what it says. Once dry, get ready to be amazed. Whenever the hair is subjected to heat, the transition color will emerge. When the heat is removed, the section will revert back to the original applied color. That's cool. When it goes on warm hair, it changes to pink. Okay guys, so I finished applying it. I'm going to go quickly off camera and try and style my hair to see if I have like a better feel for this after my hair is styled. I mean, as you saw during like the demonstration and the actual like putting it on, it does change from purple to pink under heat. However, the hair texture is like terrible. So I'm gonna go and style my hair and see if I have any different thoughts before I give my wrap-up review. Okay. And we are back with some styled hair and a little bit of a flat top. That's okay. Final thoughts. What I will say is that it does work. So I ran a curling iron through my hair, so obviously this is going to be pink right now, but you can kind of see it changing back to purple. This is what it originally is, so it changes from purple to this pink. I only put it on my roots, like right in the front of my hair. The mood switch, it's not lying. It definitely does exactly what it says. However, much like the complaints on Ulta, my hair does feel like stringy. I wouldn't say dry, but like it definitely feels like there's product in it. What I will say is that it's more of like a hair pomade. So like, you know, the like hair gels and hair pomades and styling products, like this styles really, really well. Like it's holding my curls really well. It's giving me a lot of like body and volume, and I really love that. However, it does have a certain feel to it, and so if you are going to be using this, don't use it just on like straight hair. You will have to style your hair, because if you don't, then it's just going to look stringy and gross, and it's not going to look the way you want it. So you are going to have to take the extra step to have to style your hair. Second, this product is not meant for like everyday use. Not at all. For those of us who like to have fantasy hair colors and we like to change it up, or we have a lot of like blonde roots or just roots showing, this is not a good product for like covering that up or every day. This is like a special occasion, you're going to an event, or you have a lot of time to like dedicate to putting this in your hair, because you have to apply it, you have to dry it, then you have to style it. It's a whole thing, and it's so messy with the like sponge applicator. You need a comb, you need a brush, you need hair dryer, you need all kinds of things. So this is not for everyday use. However, this would be so much fun at like a sleepover with like 10 to 12-year-olds or like 8 to 10-year-olds, like to have a little bit of color in their hair. It would be so much fun, incredibly fun. Would I pay $14.99 for it? Absolutely not. Would I pay $6 for this for like a little fun or event, or like a sleepover for my daughter when she gets older because she's only 2? Yes, absolutely, I'd pay $6 for it on clearance. I wouldn't pay $14.99 for it, however. Unfortunately, Punky Color, I'm going to say this is a swing and a miss. I don't think that I could recommend this to a whole bunch of people, but if somebody's looking for something kind of fun that changes colors, as you can see, like the purple is coming back very slowly. I thought it would be a little bit of a quicker change. It's a very quick change to pink. It is not a very quick change back to the original color. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I will list all of the Punky Color mood switch products down in the description box below, so if you are interested in checking out the Punky Color mood switch temporary hair pomade, that's what I'm going to call it, then you can do so down in the description box. If you enjoyed this video, give a big old thumbs up. Let me know everything in the comment section below. As I said before, do you like fantasy hair colors? Would you ever try to dye your hair a fantasy hair color? Let me know all of that down below. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on another review or tutorial. Thanks so much for watching, guys.